All right, guys, it is time for break number 1 of our brand new Series 1 2024 Gold Rush full-size helmet edition. So you got Mahomes, Brady, Peyton Manning, a ton more that you can pull in here. So this is a pick your team on our website, tennskinbreaks.com. You could grab your favorite team. Thanks to all of you guys for jumping in on this one. So looking forward to this 4-box case. So let's see if we can start strong with a big name here. So tape and seal on the top and the bottom. All right, got a speed replica. You see that right there? Here we go. Good luck. Oh, we got a Raven. Ray, this is you, man. All right, pretty decent hit. Dude, check out the gold. Gold face mask. That's pretty nasty. It's going to be a Patrick Queen. Number 6. Beckett authenticated. It's a sweet looking helmet right there. He's a stud. All right, pretty good start to the full-size helmet. So guys, we'll get that helmet in the mail tomorrow. We'll load up another one on the website. We'll do that next Monday night.